Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will need inequality, and notice the word hence for part B means that later on, after we had solved the inequality in part A, we will have to use our answer in part A for part B. Okay, so let's take a look. Part A. And so here's the inequality, 5 and the negative for x bigger than 31. Well, there's a reason why Mr. Tan put a nice space in between 5 and negative for x, because then I would want to ensure that one side of this inequality has only all the variables and the other side only have all the numbers. And I'm going to minus 5 on both sides. Why? So that I could get 0 to help us to solve this problem. 5 minus 5 is 0. And so my left hand side will only left with negative for x. And 31 minus 5 will then give me 26. Now, the next part though will require us to, I am going to divide by negative 4. And what happens when we divide by a negative value? What will happen? Yes, the sign change direction. Okay, this only happens when we times or divide by a negative value. And why does Mr. Tan does that? So that this part here, negative 4x divided by negative 4 will give me positive 1x. And my right hand side will give me negative, this part here, 26 divided by negative 4 will give me negative 6.5 or negative 6.5. And we are done with part A. Now for part B, which require us to look at this inequality. They want a largest integer. What is an integer? So can an integer be with decimal? No. No fractions, no decimal. So in this case here, x must be less than negative 6.5. And if you don't already know, this is just purely for working. I'm going to draw at the top for rough working. And because it is a rough working, then having at negative 6 and negative 7, negative 6.5 is here. So for this x, which has to be less than then the largest integer would then be negative 7, as seen from my working here in the number line. Okay, so x has to be negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, so on and so forth. Alright, that concludes this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.